Today I am reviewing the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever struggled with dust, crumbs, or hair piling up on your desk, keyboard, or workspace, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is here to change the way you clean. This mini table dust sweeper is compact, cordless, and surprisingly powerful, making it an essential gadget for your home, office, or school. One of the standout features of this ODISTAR mini vacuum is its cordless design. Powered by just two AA batteries, which last up to 90 minutes, you can clean anywhere without worrying about cords or plugs. No more awkwardly dragging a vacuum around your desk or hunting for a power outlet. The freedom of cordless cleaning makes it perfect for quick touch-ups or keeping your workspace spotless every day. Another feature that makes this vacuum so convenient is its 360-degree rotatable design. This allows you to easily reach tight corners, crevices, and hard-to-reach spaces. Whether it's between your keyboard keys, under your monitor, or around decorative items on your desk, the ODISTAR mini vacuum adapts to every angle. It's ergonomically designed, so you can glide it effortlessly across surfaces without straining your wrist or hand. Despite its small size, this desktop vacuum packs high suction power. From crumbs and paper scraps to pet hair and dust, the capture nozzle picks up debris with ease, unlike manual brushes or small handheld sweepers. And the best part? It's quiet enough that you can clean while working, reading, or even resting. No loud distractions, just clean surfaces in minutes. Durability and usability are also a highlight. The ODISTAR vacuum is made from high-quality clear acrylic material, which is strong, long-lasting, and elegant. It not only performs well but also looks sleek on your desk. Operating it is simple too. Just hold it in your hand and glide it over surfaces. Students, office workers, or even the elderly will find it easy to use without any complicated steps. Finally, this mini desktop sweeper isn't just for your desk. It's versatile enough for multiple uses. Clean your keyboard, table, office desk, car interior, or even your craft space. It's a quick, efficient, and energy-saving solution for everyday messes that can accumulate in small spaces. Overall, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a smart, compact, and reliable cleaning tool. It combines cordless convenience, high suction, quiet operation, and a clever 360-degree design, making it perfect for anyone who wants a clean workspace without hassle. If you're tired of crumbs, dust, and hair building up on your desk or keyboard, this mini vacuum is an easy, efficient, and stylish solution that you'll actually enjoy using.